Hey GP learners, in this episode I'm going to show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting in under 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, go to Google and type in Zoom Scheduler, and then click on the Zoom Scheduler Chrome extension. There is a similar one for Mozilla Firefox if you wish to use that, but I'm going to show you how to do this using Chrome. I've already got it downloaded, and then when you've done so, you'll have this blue icon in the top right hand corner that is the Zoom Scheduler extension. Simply click on it. As a result of that, you can then either start a meeting or schedule a meeting. So let's show you how that works. Simply tap on it and it will integrate with your Google Calendar to schedule a meeting. As you can see, you then have the option of setting the date, the time, and if the meeting repeats, which is clearly useful if you've got a lot of these meetings. If you integrate it with Google Calendar further, you can select the guests, and as a result of that, you just find a time that works really well for everybody. Alternately, if you use Outlook, you can just copy and paste the invitation and send that through. And you're done. If you did want to change the settings of how you schedule meetings, simply go to the icon and then click the settings gear. By doing so, you get the same options as when you try and schedule a meeting either through the website or through your phone. As you can see, I've got my own presets set. So I have a meeting password generated randomly. The host and participant videos start immediately, and I use both for audio. In addition, my preference for options is enabling join before host and mute participants on entry, and having include join URL in the location field. And that's it. And that is how you can schedule Zoom meetings in under 2 minutes. Feel free to check out our other videos on our Zoom playlist. And as always, eGP Learning is here to help save you and your patients time by tech enhancing your primary care and learning. Catch you in the next episode.